Today we're going to do some animal yoga to help us feel calm. What you need to do is you need to get into a big space and look to see what animal pose I am doing, and you can do the same. Remember, when you're doing the yoga, you need to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, like we do in class. Let's try it 3 times. Mouth. Okay, now you're ready. Let's go. First, we're going to be a bear, okay? To be a bear, you need to stand up and put your hands up really, really high and stretch up as far as you can. Okay? Bring them down. And for this, stand on 1 foot. This is the bird. A bird. Alright? Now, put your 2 feet wide apart. Bend one leg. Put your hand on your leg. And take this arm up here, and we're going to be a giraffe. Now we're a giraffe. Okay? And bring it back. Stand up straight. Put your legs together. Now, you need to go onto the floor. Go down to the floor and put your knees on the floor, your 2 hands on the floor, and put your back up like this, your head down. This is a cat, okay? Cat. Bring your head around and put your head up. This is cow, cow. Now what you need to do is put your 2 hands on the floor, put your feet out wide, put them up. Now go down to the floor. Now you're a snake. Snake. Okay? We go up again. And what I want you to do is I want you to put your knees on the floor. Okay? Put them out wide. And are you ready? It's time to be a lion. Put your hands up and give a big roar. You're a lion. Roar. Well done. Now, take your 2 feet, put them together, put your hands around your feet, and this one is like a butterfly, a pretty butterfly. Well done. Now, cross your legs, crisscross, like we do good sitting in class. Put your hand here on your chest, take your other arm, and stretch like you're a monkey, like you're climbing up a tree. Well done. Now put your other hand here, and take your left hand and stretch like you're climbing a tree, you monkeys. Well done. Now the last thing we're going to do, we're going to be turtles, okay? So, go to the floor and make yourself as small as you can, okay? Try. Put your head down and try and be as small as you can. Now you're a turtle. Well done, everyone. That's your animal yoga. I hope you enjoyed it. And please try it at home to help you feel calm.